Okay, let's get started with homework number 4, and it would be the homework number 4 part 1, and it's electromagnetic radiation. Here is homework number 4, part 1. So you have here, in what sense are microwave and ultraviolet radiation the same? In what sense are they different? Both microwave and ultraviolet electromagnetic radiation travel at the same speed of light, all of them, and they both have a wave and particle character. The difference between the two of them, what is it? Are the wavelength. The wavelength of ultraviolet are shorter than the wavelength of infrared. If you look at the spectrum, you will realize that the wavelength is shorter for the ultraviolet. So that means that they have a higher frequency, and as you know, that energy is equal to a constant Planck energy, the energy of a photon, multiplied by the frequency. So you know that if it's a higher frequency, it's higher energy. So ultraviolet is a higher energy wavelength than the microwave. Number 2, consider the following types of the electromagnetic radiation. Right? You can look at, for this question, you look at the electromagnetic radiation spectrum and look at the wavelength of each one and compare it. This one I'm not going to solve, but I'm going to tell you how to. Now transfer each of the following wavelength to the indicate units. It's just a practice of conversion, so that way when you get to the problems, number 3, when you get to the problems, you know how to do it. Let's just do the first one, 3.6 centimeter. The B, C, and D, it's very similar. Now with micrometers and centimeter. Now doing 3 at least will help you practice. You don't need to do them, but 4 of them. So 3.6 centimeter, 2 nanometers. And we have that 1 meter, right, is equal to 10 to the 9th nanometer. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is the way I do it. I do the equality, and then I take it to meter, and then back to centimeter. So if you have here 3.6 centimeter, desired unit is nanometer. So we first go to meter, and it would be from centimeter to meter. It would be 100 centimeter. Desired unit on top, sorry. So it would be it would be 1 meter over 100 centimeters multiply by desired unit on top, 10 to the 9th nanometer, divided by 1 meter. So we cancel out meter and centimeter, and the final would be in nanometer, the final unit, and it's 3.6 by 10, and it's gonna be 9 minus 2, because this is 10 to the 2nd. So it's 9 minus 2 is going to be 7 nanometer. And that's the answer.